big up me people them, to all of my supporters them, big up on yourself. Good girl, really appreciate the love. Guess what now people? So today, Goody I gotta do some shrimp. Cause me say girl feel look good and can do things though. Guys, I'm doing some shrimp today. I'm gonna do garlic spicy shrimp. Right? My way. Anyway, I'm drying off these shrimp. Take off the excess water, don't want too much of that on it. So after I finish this now, I'm gonna just add a little season. You see my shrimp pretty, right? Yummy already, me I tell you, me can't wait for dive in, you know. Girl, if you can cook and do things. Alright, so may I add some paprika pepper. I mean cayenne pepper people, not whatever you call, not whatever, cayenne pepper. That I gonna get a little spice. That's just for spice. And now I'm adding some all-purpose Maggi season, some all-purpose season really. Cause we not get paid for advertise. Right, and then I'm gonna add a little garlic. Remember, we're doing garlic spicy shrimp. You can't add too much of stuff in it like salt, so you just want basically this amount of seasoning, and you know, combine it together, and that's about it. That's good enough. So after I finish seasoning my shrimp, here I'm gonna cut up some garlic, and I'm using a clove of garlic for my garlic spicy shrimp. So guys, I have my oil hot right here, right? So I'm gonna add my garlic, and after my garlic I'm gonna add a little piece of pepper, because I don't really like much pepper. Even though it's garlic spicy shrimp, I still don't want it to be overly spicy, which I cannot eat it, okay? So I'm gonna add a little piece of pepper. Me soon take it back out too. Anyway, and then I'm gonna add my shrimp and get it sauteed, get it color, and then I'm gonna add my secret ingredient, which I get from AA. I really like this recipe. Thanks a lot, and you guys could go ahead and try it. So okay guys, so now after 3 minutes cooking my shrimp, I'm gonna add my secret ingredient, which is a Latin spice. It's called Coriander, Annatto. Okay, and after I add my spice, I'm gonna add a little water and let it cook for the next 2 minutes, and that's about it. I'm gonna place you guys a plate, so enjoy.